Thank you so much for your time. We're very exciting Flight Plan 2020 with United. A lot going on the technology front where you're making it so much easier for travelers.
Well, we really just think that our mobile app is one of the best in the business. And the reason we say that is because of how much we can really help our customers navigate day of travel. For folks that travel us often, they want to easily get to their boarding pass. They want to easily know when the flight is boarding. So notifications that say it's time to leave the club because reporting your flight is great. But there are many people that don't fly us all the time. Maybe they're only once a year. And so when you land in one of our hubs and need to know how to get to one of the other in a different gate, providing turn-by-turn directions and how to get from one connecting gate to the next is something that they found really valuable.
And a new tool coming out soon where you're going to be able to look at seat maps and actually look at the cabin of the plane to know exactly what your seat looks like. This is a great revolutionary tool you're launching.
Well, on United.com, people are often doing a lot of research about where to fly and what planes to fly on, and we're really excited about the CRJ 550, our new 50-seat multi-cabin aircraft, and people have never seen it before, and so we thought this was a great place to start with our 3D seat map. So now you can click on a seat and really understand what the attributes of that seat are, how much legroom it has, whether it's a window seat, what it's going to look like on the aircraft.
And technology, as far as an overall experience is concerned, is really ramping up at United, from in-flight Wi-Fi right through to entertainment, and even the cabin crew being able to easily do things off their tablets as well.
Yeah, we really think about how our frontline employees, our flight attendants, can have a device, have data about the passengers that they're serving today, and be able to provide a more personal experience. So we give them the data and let them do what they do best, which is care for our customers.
I think as your airplanes get more high-tech, I guess it's something you've got to take a lead on too, isn't it, from a consumer standpoint, and having fresh apps all the time and enhancing consistently.
Well, customers, when they download an app, they don't think, okay, well, this is a new tech company or this is an old-time 90-year-old airline. They expect the apps they have on their phone to all work the same way. And so we really compare ourselves to the best app you have on your phone, not the best airline app on your phone.
Wonderful. Thank you so much.
Thanks, James.